is it? Here's what I like. Little sugar-free Red Bull. It's JP 1970, and I just stopped here at the I think this is the Santa Fe Springs Airport. Just sitting out here on the side of the road. There goes a plane. All right, so let's check this thing out. Look at this. What the heck's that for? I love old planes. I love new planes too if I'm flying on one. I don't know. My dad used to run a flight school when I was born, back in the early 70s. Well, yeah, it would be, wouldn't it? I was born in 1970, so he ran a flight school, and that was before, I don't know, that fuel embargo or something screwed it up. I don't know. Let's see, what's up here? Is this a trap door? No. Okay. Yeah. I guess you can't really get inside this thing. Oh well, that's all right. That's all right. That's about as close as we're gonna get, I guess, to crawling up in it. I think that concludes our tour of the old plane. On we go. Actually, this is Reno. We're actually on the other side of Reno. We came through Reno, and we are going over to Carson City. Now, I am a sucker for cool bridges. Look at this bridge. Oh my God, that is so cool. Carson City is about 20 miles past Reno. First it comes Sparks, then Reno, then Carson City. Oh, here we go, over the bridge. And what's down there? So making my way to Carson City, and then I'll be going up to Lake Tahoe after that. So here we are, folks, cruising down downtown Carson City. There's some government buildings. This is the capital of Nevada, Carson City. Cool downtown area. So if you've never been to Carson City, quick little tunnel, and then wow, look at that. Oh my, Lake Tahoe, everybody. Lake Tahoe, gorgeous Lake Tahoe. Okay, so there they are. There are the big resorts up here, and we are Lake Tahoe. Now this guy's probably got a story to tell. Mr. Raiders fan with his Tecate sign in the back. So there's Mont Bleu, and then we've got Harvey's. No, we've got the Hard Rock. That's right, I forgot about that. We've got Mont Bleu, we've got the Hard Rock, we have Harrah's and Harvey's. That's what it was. So the governor has lifted the, I'm pretty sure, everything. If you're if you've been vaccinated, you're back to normal, I think. Harvey's. And state line is, I do believe there it is, California state line. So we are now crossing over from Nevada into California. So welcome to California, everybody. All right, this is a pretty busy spot up here. So here we go. This is Lake Tahoe, California. And we were just in Lake Tahoe, Nevada, which we are going to get back to. And we're just coming down the 50, coming back down from Tahoe, heading back into Carson City. So this has been another video of JP1970, just out checking out Nevada. If you like these kind of moto vlogs, let me know in the comments down below. There's all kinds of beautiful spots in Nevada. This is certainly one of them. I would love to hear some of your feedback, some of your favorite parts of Nevada that you've been to. And I'll be honest with you, when I first heard about moving to northeastern Nevada, with the exception of obviously Reno and Lake Tahoe, but I didn't even realize there was anything else, you know. I thought Reno, Tahoe, and Vegas was pretty much what Nevada had to offer, but there's so much more. Obviously, there's a whole big area north of Las Vegas that I had no idea even, I mean, obviously I knew it existed. I've seen a map, but I had no idea what was out there, what was up there. So this is what you get in the northern part of Nevada. This is obviously the northwestern part, which is gorgeous. But they call this the Great State for a reason. Look at that up there. Beautiful. Alright, so now you want to be careful coming down this hill. I speak from experience. One time I was coming back from a Sammy Hagar concert the morning after, a little hungover, I'm not gonna lie, and I got pulled over. It was Memorial Day weekend. Came up here with a friend of mine named Susan, who was a big Sammy Hagar fan, and they call us redheads. So anyway, so we were coming down this hill, and I think it was just up around this next bend. They were waiting for me, and of course I was speeding. Notice how people are kind of riding the brakes going down? That's because they know. Except that guy. So I got the cruise set. That is such a good thing to do. If you want to make sure you don't exceed the speed limit, just set the cruise. Kick back, relax, enjoy the ride. I'm telling you, all you got to do to avoid that is just set the cruise. Looks like he got one. Let me get over here. Oh. Yeah. Got a couple of them. I guess it takes 2 police officers to pull over 1 car. Anyway, this has been JP1970. Thank you for checking out this video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care now. Bye-bye.